Imagine having a hyper-realistic Instagram model that looks like this, that you can control completely and you didn't pay a single rupee to shoot it. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your own AI influencer for free. We will generate a photorealistic model, match a real person's pose and turn it into a smooth realistic video using motion control AI. No paid subscription required, just a few free tools. If you are new here, I am Shah Faisal Sheikh and on this channel I break down the latest AI tools so you can use them for content, clients and business. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe and let's start. So first we need a reference model. So I have opened Comfy UI. If you want to generate free images on your local computer or laptop, you can install Comfy UI. I have a playlist of Comfy UI where you can learn to generate images and videos for free with just one click. I have put the playlist link in the description, or you can also create these images from Gemini as well. So I have generated a reference model using Z-Image Turbo. This is the prompt for it to generate. I have kept the seed to 2099, steps to 8, CFG to 1, and I have generated this image and I have also upscaled this image to 4K. So this image looks perfect for your Instagram influencer, or you can just change the seed and generate a different image. You can take the screenshot of this prompt and you can also tweak the prompt as per your needs. And this image will act as your unique AI influencer. Now we want this AI influencer to move like a real person. So we will now open Pinterest. I have searched for influencer girl. I have selected this 10-second video where the body motion is clear. Now right click here and copy this link address. Now we will go to clickpin.com and we will paste this link and download this video. Click on the download video and save this video. Now after our video has been downloaded, we will go to videoframeextractor.com. We will select the video which we have downloaded. Now click on extract frame and we will download this first frame. Download the selected frame. So we have extracted this frame to use it as a pose reference. Now we will go to gemini.ai and click on tools and click on create image. Now we will upload the images which we have downloaded, and this is the first image which we have created by ourselves. This is the AI influencer which we want. Now upload the image of the influencer which we have extracted the frames. So I have given the prompt, keep the face and editry from the influencer image 1 but copy the body pose, outfit style and camera angle from reference image 2, photorealistic 3:4 vertical. Now hit submit. Got the exact image which we have wanted. Now download this image. Now time to bring her to life. Go to kie.ai. Click on the API market. Now search for Kling 2.6 motion control and click on here. Remove this and remove this. Now upload your image and here upload your video. Now set the resolution to 720 and click on run. You have to sign in with your Google account. So I forgot to sign in. Now I am going to sign in. So I have signed in now. Now click on run and wait for the AI to process the clip. So as you can see, the video has been processed. Let's see the video. Isn't it fabulous? Now you can download your video from here and save it on your computer, and in this way you can create your own AI influencer page on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube. If Kling credits are finished or you want more cinematic motions, you can also use Higgsfields.ai. Higgsfields offer powerful image to video with cinematic motion presets and they usually provide some free generation, so you can test that platform. Just upload your influencer image, pick a motion preset or use a reference video depending on the feature you use, and generate a short high quality clip. Between Click Motion Control and Higgsfield, you can create a full portfolio of AI influencer moving like real humans without hiring any models or renting a studio. And that's how you create a hyper-realistic AI influencer from scratch for free image, pose and motion. If you try this workflow, tag me on Instagram or YouTube Shorts so I can check out your results. If you want more tutorials on AI tools like this, hit subscribe button and comment which AI tutorial you want next, faceless channel, AI ad videos or full AI short films. You can also go through my Comfy UI playlist, and you can also stay updated with the latest AI news on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.